In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install a VPN proxy extension for Google Chrome browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded and that you are on the main window. If Chrome is already open, you can simply use your current tab or open a new one. Next, go to Google and search for the Google Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed and installed. Using the official store helps you avoid unofficial downloads and makes the process safer and more reliable. Once the search results appear, open the Chrome Web Store from the official result. When you are inside the web store, use the search bar to look for the extension mentioned in the instructions, which is IDM. Type the name into the search field and wait for the matching results to appear. Take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct extension from the list. After you find the correct extension, select it to open its details page. You should see information about the extension, along with an option to add it to Chrome. Click the Add to Chrome button to begin the installation. Chrome may show a confirmation pop-up asking you to approve the installation and review the permissions the extension needs. Once the extension is added, Chrome will usually confirm that it has been installed successfully. In many cases, you will also see the extension appear near the top right area of the browser, close to the address bar. That covers everything you need to know.